1 Minute Inspirations, Henry Street Church of Christ.
Have you made peace like you should? Therefore, if you bring your gift to the altar, and there remember that your brother has something against you, leave your gift there before the altar, and go your way. First be reconciled to your brother, and then come and offer your gift. Matthew chapter 5, verse 23 and 24, New King James Version. God places the utmost importance upon Christians being in unity and fellowshipping with each other. Ephesians chapter 4 verse 3, Acts chapter 2 verse 42. As such, Satan does all that he can to break this unity and fellowship one with another. However, he does not have to win. Christian, did you know that it is the responsibility of both parties to come to each other to work out their differences no matter who is at fault? Matthew chapter 5 verse 23 and 24, Matthew chapter 18 verse 15 to 17. Christians cannot afford to wait for the offender to come to him or her with an apology before forgiveness happens. Matthew chapter 6 verse 14 and 15. We often say that we will not talk to anyone else until they come to us first if they offended us. This is not God's way. God's way is that if you are offended, is to go to the person in a spirit of peace to work it out. Matthew chapter 5 verse 9, Romans chapter 12 verse 18. It is not an easy thing to do, but we must, for the sake of God's plan being fulfilled in our lives and to be Christlike. We must go to the other person to restore peace and unity. We must be like Christ, who loved us unconditionally, so that we can learn to love others the same way. Be strong and courageous. This is what God wants from us. God bless you. Thanks for listening.
This is a ministry of the Henry Street Church of Christ, 309 Henry Street, Gadsden, Alabama, USA 35901. www.henrystreetchurchofchrist.com. Please subscribe to our channel. God bless you.